If you go and rummage around your garage, you might see a radioactive sticker that warns you about radon. Element 86, and it's one of the noble gases. The noble gases don't form compounds with other elements, except a few exceptions under a few bizarre circumstances. Virtually all the radon on Earth is produced through radiometric decay. It's not really present in the Earth natively. So elements like uranium, thorium, and radium turn into radon as they decay and their nucleus breaks down. However, radon itself is also radioactive, and that makes it dangerous and deadly. But lots of things are radioactive, so how come radon is one of the only things that you commonly see with warning labels around? Well, because radon is a gas, as the uranium or other elements decompose deep in the earth, the radon can leak upwards, so it has a way to get to us. What elements that are radioactive do is they turn into other elements. Now, the only way that's possible is for the nucleus to change, specifically numbers of protons. There's two different kinds of radiation, but radon undergoes what's called alpha radiation. In alpha radiation, 2 protons and 2 neutrons leave the nucleus. They actually fly out at a tremendous speed, and that's the nucleus of a helium atom. But the point is, 2 protons and 2 neutrons, that has some fairly sufficient mass to it, and that alpha particle that shoots out is basically a cannonball. It can go right through you because it's very small and it travels with huge kinetic energy. So it can bombard your DNA and scramble it and give you horrible mutations, or it can just simply poke holes in your cells. Radon is a gas, but it's over 7.5 times more dense than air. So if you were to breathe in radon, it would go into your lungs and it would sit down in there, and it would be extremely hard to get it out through normal respiration. And meanwhile, as that radon sits in your lungs, it's radioactive, so it's bombarding you with those tiny subatomic cannonballs. Radon is the second leading cause of lung cancer, with around 21,000 cases a year in the United States. The leading cause is smoking, no surprise there.